Good day, everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today, I'm going to be teaching you on how to download Landsat data, and we are going to be downloading it from USGS Earth Explorer. So to do that, we are going to go to our browser and search for Earth Explorer. Earth Explorer. I have it here. And the first link might not be the first link for you, but the URL is earthexplorer.usgs.gov. So I'm going to select it, and this is the environment. So the first thing I want us to know is that you cannot just download data here without being logged in. So you have to log into this environment. And if you don't have account with them, you still click on login. So I'm going to click on login, though I have account with USGS. So I can continue as my username here, or I can sign in as a different user. So let's just do that for the sake of people who don't have account with them. So you can just go to create account here. And under this create account, you enter your preferred username and password. And the username and password has some requirements. Like the password must be between 12 and 64 characters. So after that, you continue and you put some details, your recycling status and all that, and you are good to go. So I'm going to come back to login so that I can log in and we can continue the class. I'm going to sign in, continue as my name. You can save your password too so that you save it from the stress of typing the password every time. So the second thing I want us to know rather is that this is the world map. And you don't really have to know how to navigate this map to get to where you are going. I'm recording this video from Nigeria, and I want to get data from Abuja, that's the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria. I just know that Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria, should be above the confluence, and this should be somewhere around here. I'm not so sure because this map is not labeled. So, and how to really navigate that to get to know where you are going to is through several methods here. And one of the methods is using the KML or shapefile. So you click on here and you have a KML or shapefile that covers your area of interest. You can select file and bring it in. You can change the KML to shapefile and bring it into the Earth Explorer environment. Then it will be this, it will move the screen to the layer you have added, and you see it. And if you cannot use that, if you don't have your KML or shapefile, so far you know the name of the place, you can still use another method. And the other method is to come back to geocoder here, select the geocoding method. So just click on this and change it to address / place. That's if the name of the place is on Google. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to select sorry, I'm going to select Abuja. Sorry. So Abuja here, I'm going to click on show, and it can show me that Abuja Federal Capital Territory. I'm going to select it. You can see it has taken me to Abuja. This is the Federal Capital Territory. And the next thing to do is just to come down again and set my data. But this is another method. And the third method is that if you can actually locate your point yourself, let's say I'm coming to Lagos, I know where Lagos is. This is Lagos. Very sure that this is Lagos, and this is an area of interest to me. This is the University of Lagos. So I can continue like this. I close this, then add, just use as my cursor is here. I'll just click on a point here that covers my area of interest. You can see that marker. Click on the second one here, maybe third one around here, and fourth one around here. That will cover my area of interest. As I have done that, then I can continue with my work. So you can use any of the three methods, and if there are other methods, I don't. These are the methods I use. So the next thing to do is come and set your date range. The date range is one that will tell us the time you want your data. That is, you want your data for 2022 or 2023 or 2025 or So I'm going to select my date range to 2024, and I'm going to let it be between June to December. Any date between June to December 2024 is okay with me. So June 1st, that's the beginning, and the end is going to be December 2024, 24 December, and I'm going to be December 31st. Now the date range has been set, and the next thing to set is the cloud cover. Now, because we are downloading Landsat data, mostly is used for land use, land cover, for analysis, and to check for urban heat island and some other things. So having cloud cover is going to be limiting our data, the use of our data. So it is better that the image you are going to be downloading, the satellite data you are going to download is free from cloud. So I'm going to click on cloud cover here, and I'm going to bring it down to, let's say, 10 here. Yes. So as I've done that, this is nice. Then if you want to check the result options, maybe how many number of results you want per page, I think 10 is enough for me. So I've saved it to my profile. So I'm going to click on data sets. Now this data set, I'm coming to Landsat here. This is Landsat. I'm going to expand it, and I'm coming to Landsat 2, Landsat collection 2 level 2. So, and I'm going to select the Landsat 8 to 9 OLI TIRS collection 2 level 2, which is this one. Then I'm going to click on either result or additional criteria. Let me select the additional criteria to show you the things there. And the Landsat identifier is here. You can select it yourself. You can close it. The row and the parts of the satellite. The type of satellite that you want, is it Landsat 8? Is it Landsat 9? As the case may be, you can just select all. I think all is better. Any will work. So I'll just click on results now, and it is showing me 6 images. You can see it's playing 1 to 6 of 6. So any of the images that we have here, we are sure that they have less than 10, or between 0 to 10% of cloud cover for those images. So to preview the image, you can just check here. So to show the print, the footprint, click this foot icon, click on it. You can see this is the tiles, this is the area that the tile covers. And I think I'm good with this. Covers even other part of Lagos that maybe I want, in case I have other use for the area, I can always use the data. So I'm going to close it. The next thing I want to do is I want to check the information about this tile. So clicking here, show metadata and browse. So loading metadata, then you can see it's Landsat 9, and you can see the date 2024 12 2024. That's on the 24th of December 2024. That's the image date. I'll see it here. So I'm going to scroll down to land cloud cover. You can see it is 3%, 3.63, and the same cloud cover is 8.45, which is relatively okay. But I will go and check another one. If we have lesser one, then I will go for the least cloud cover. So I'm going to check for this one too. This one is 3.18. Okay, it's okay. But let me check the footprint. Oh, this one does not cover the whole of Lagos. Though this is my area of interest. Or at least I'm not going to go for this, except let me look for let me for another one. This one is about 4.8. I think I'm good with this. This 4.8, which covers Lagos. Yes, the whole of Lagos. So I'm going to, is it this? I think it's this. Let me check again. Yes, 4.83. It is this. So I can just click on download like this. Just click on download. Yeah, this is download. Click on download, and you have options of downloading. You can download everything together, download all files now, or you can select the particular file that you want. You can come to product options here. Then maybe you just want to download the few things there. Maybe the bands that you want. Let's say band 4, band 5, band 6. You can do that. But I prefer downloading everything because if you are using land cover and all that analysis, you might need more than the bands that you think you need. So I will download everything, and this is 900 megabyte. So I'm going to click on download, and it's going to start downloading in a bit. Now you can see it has started downloading now. You can see it here. This is 22% off. And when it's fully downloaded, you can extract it and now use it the way you want on your for your analysis. And thank you, and God bless you.